play by busting our lips. The string family, we use a bow. Everybody show me your violin.
Can we use a guitar?
We use a guitar. Good. And the percussion family, how many ways can we play?
3.
First way, hitting. Second way, shaking. Third way, scratching. Very nice. So
I know what drumming is. The drums.
we're going to show you, our parents, an example of the 4 instrument families. Alright, we're going to start with, which one are we going to start with?
Woodwind.
1 or 2, what's a good example of a woodwind instrument? Raise your hand. Jareli. Which one? Which one is this one? You forgot? Okay. Okay. The flute. What's another one? Lisa. A saxophone right there on the picture. And one last one.
The oboe.
The oboe. Great. Okay, let's start.